Hi everyone, this is Shan again from Love Your Passion. Today we are transforming this ugly looking garage to a really nice looking home theater room. All we have to do is build a platform to put the couch, then put carpet on the floor. We will paint a wall and then put a screen on top of that. After that, we will have the home theater setup and a curtain to hide some of the walls as well as little bit of insulation. This is the plywood that will go on top of the platform, so people will stand on it and the sofa will be on top of this. So the recommended for flooring is at least mm, uh, 19 by 32. I got the 19 by 32. The whole 4 by 8 didn't fit in my car, so I actually cut into 2 by 5 to carry in my car. As you can see, there are like 4 pieces, and then I laid them nicely. And what I'm doing is I'm measuring this 2 by 8s, so 2 pieces will go on the side. And the rest will come here. And since this is about 5 feet or 60 inches, I'm planning to have like every 15 inch. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the same length. And that's kind of like the structure. The platform structure is coming through. As you can see, this is 5 feet and this is 8 feet. And how I am measuring this is the platform will run lengthwise. And I have exactly 60 inches and I'm marking at 45, 30, 15, and these pieces of lumbers will come and align at the center of this, and then I will drill or attach the screws from this side. It needs to be flush because the carpet will go on top of it. Get some support like this also, probably under here, one here, one there. So I'm measuring this. And before I cut, I normally measure it again. These are the pieces that I cut, put in between, and I'm alternating one here, one there to give some extra layer of support when the plywood comes here. Painting the edges now with a brush, and then the rest I will paint with a roller. I already taped it. I normally like a tape that is very reliable, and I will put the link if I can. You move the wrapper after only you move the paint. This wood is available in Home Depot. These are specifically for concrete. These are called tack wood, and we hammered each of this into the floor all the way around. Do-it-yourself version of carpet stretcher. You can see these are like two 2x4s, make it like 16 feet long. I put carpet here so that I don't damage the wall. And this is like a small carpet stretcher. I got it from Harbor Freight for $40 instead of like a $500 stool. And I'm putting here and give it a stretch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With the tech strips like this to lay down the carpet. If you see, one layer there and another layer on this side. And I'm using a wire scissor to cut it. I think this is like the best thing to do and easy thing to do. And then just hammer them. As part of the garage transformation, we are also putting this weather strip on the garage door. So this will help on the winter specifically. It's a very simple thing. I'll put the link in the description. So buy the weather strip and nail it. We covered this side of the wall with some curtains, ceiling to floor. And what we did is, at the top, we just folded it a little bit and put a stapler to the ceiling. And kept on doing that. And that's how this curtain was put on the wall. And it gives a nice home theater feeling.